Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford F-150 in a Lariat trim and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency. Coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, and the FX4 off-road package giving you off-road suspension and skid plates, as well as the Sport Appearance package giving you some unique rims and other accents. But let's take a look inside. Then looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for three with a full leather interior, fold out armrests with two cup holders, as well as having two more in the middle there, with a 12 volts USB and USB-C, 120 volt power outlet, and heated rear seats that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And this truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and your mirrors. Now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your trip and fuel information, truck information, towing information, navigation, phone and audio controls, as well as settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. You also have My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. But then moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with your distance pacing technology, lane keeping system, and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. Then you have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost, favorite screen for all of your most used apps and settings, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera with a full 360 view so you can see all around your truck, with dynamic hitch views so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Above that, you have your camera view, again with your forward-facing camera, and then you have your park assist sensor shut off, hazards, traction control shut off, and hill descent assist, as well as having a premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate, heated and air conditioned front seats, and a heated steering wheel. Then to the left, you have your Pro Trailer Backup Controller, Trailer Brake Controller, and 4x4 controls with 4 auto, locking rear differential, and drive mode selector for normal, slippery, deep snow sand, mud ruts, and rock crawl mode, which is also part of the FX4 package. And then you have tow haul, eco, and sport mode, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then moving on to the right, you have a 12 volt and 120 volt power outlet, as well as this compartment up here for more storage. Moving down, you have this compartment with a USB, USB-C, and wireless charging pad, so if your phone's compatible, throw it on there to charge. Then you have your main shifter here with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, and can also be collapsed out of the way for more open space here, and so that you can fold out your interior work surface. So if you want to eat in your truck, work in your truck, you have a nice flat surface to do so from. And then looking back, you have a power sliding rear window, and last but not least, you have a twin panel moonroof up top so you can land in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior.